Hey everybody, on today's big exciting adventure, we're going to talk about LTI integrations. The first thing we should do probably, even though we're in Canvas, is know what LTI is. So LTI is Learning Tools Interoperability. I know Wikipedia shouldn't be trusted, but I do. I know there's a lot of words here. Basically, what interoperability LTI means is that within our Canvas environment, we have the ability to link outside resources, apps, websites, things like that, so that they literally work within Canvas. So the bonus is that if I want to give an assignment to my students, instead of saying, hey guys, get out of Canvas, now open up this new website or open up this new app, if we've connected the two via the LTI, they can work in that app inside of Canvas. So obvious huge benefits for our students, old, young, medium, that they can do all of this work just from one place. So let's take a look at how to do that. I'm going to pick my course here. I'm going to go down to my settings. From settings, I'm going to go into apps, okay? And then I'm going to find an app that I want to add. So in this case, we'll choose Flipgrid. I've already done this, but I'm going to redo it. It's pretty simple. I click Add App, and then it's going to ask me for these two things, a consumer key and a shared secret. These are a little bit different in every app we use of where to find these. In another tab, I already have my Flipgrid open. I'm going to go click my name and go over to Integrations. You can see that I already have these. I'll go ahead and add a new one. Canvas for the third time. Awesome typing. No one's watching. Okay, so Canvas for the third time. Here's my consumer key. I'm going to copy that back to Canvas, paste that in. I'm going to go here. Here's my shared secret. It's just a bunch of dots. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go back here and paste that in and click Add App. And that's it. That's all you have to do. As you add apps, they will appear here. You can see these are the ones that I've already added. But you can add more. There's a bunch of apps here. A lot of these things, just because it's here doesn't mean we have the rights or ability or access to it in Prince William County Schools. So don't just assume that because it's here, you're good to go with it. That's something you're going to want to talk to your ITC about. You can also see some LTI tools that work great with Canvas by clicking right here. But when we talk about LTI integration, that is what we're talking about. Have a great day, everybody.